Hi guys, welcome to Camping Art Channel. Today I'm going to create a picture of train with color, sand. Let's do it together.